Hi everybody, welcome to Health Channel. Today we are going to check the properties of saffron. At the end of the video, I want to tell you how to store saffron. So stay with me until the end of the video. Saffron is a plant that is known as the best, most fragrant and most expensive spice in the world, which is used in cooking. Saffron has a brown cover that protects it. After the bulb of the plant is planted, the growth process begins, and a stem is formed and a bud grows on top of it. The stigma and crimson cream of saffron flower is harvested, and after drying it is used for seasoning and coloring food and has a price of nearly $15,000 per kilogram. Most sources consider the birthplace of saffron to be Iran. Currently, Iran harvests more than 99% of world's saffron. Iran is the largest exporter of saffron, and China is the largest importer of saffron in the world. The special smell and seasoning and taste and deliciousness of saffron is due to the presence of a substance called safranol, and the golden yellow color it gives to food is due to crocin or crocin. Saffron is a small and perennial plant with a height of 10 to 30 cm from the middle of the bulb or the base of the stem. A number of narrow and long leaves came out. From the middle of the leaves comes a flowering stem that leads to 1 to 3 flowers. The flowers have 6 purple petals, which may be purple in some varieties. The flowers have 3 stamens and a pistil, leading to a 3-branched red-orange stigma. The most important properties of saffron. Number 1. Enhanced mood. Saffron is well known because of its active compounds that have many effects on our endocrine system. Consuming saffron can have significant calming properties. Also, saffron has a warm and lively nature, and for this reason, it can regulate the nervous mechanisms and thereby improve the functioning of the nerves. This spice will improve our overall mood with a very useful effect in stimulating the release of certain hormones that make us happy. Number 2. Boosting the immune system. Vitamin C is necessary and vital for human health and causes the immune system to be stimulated and produce more white blood cells. Saffron contains relatively high amounts of vitamin C and therefore can be a good help to strengthen the immune system and health. Number 3. Prevent anemia with saffron. There is iron in the composition of saffron. If you have iron deficiency, anemia, or feel weak, severe headaches, or fatigue, you may need to increase your body iron. You can use saffron for completely natural prevention of anemia. Number 4. Prevent cancer. Cancer is one of the biggest diseases in the world that kills many people every year. One of the ways to prevent cancer is to use vegetables and spices that have antioxidants. The use of saffron for the body can be mentioned to prevent cancer. Number 5. The use of saffron in the digestive problems. One of the important properties of saffron is its anti-inflammatory properties, and as a result it can be a great help in improving stomach pain and reducing stomach inflammation. You can also use saffron as an anti-flagellant to treat celiac and even for stomach ulcer diseases and pain healing. Number 6. The effect of saffron on the skin. If you want to have fresh skin, include saffron in your diet and see the use of saffron in the whiteness and freshness of your skin. It is interesting to know that the consumption of saffron has an effect on the improvement of freckles and other skin lesions. Number 7. Antidepressant. Saffron plays a significant role in strengthening the nervous system due to the group of B vitamins, especially B6, Christine, and camphorol, and it also has an amazing effect in preventing and treating depression. In the research, they found out that those who use saffron are happier and their sleep quality is better, and they have a sense of satisfaction with life, and in this way, they suffer from depression less. Number 8. Useful for menstruation. Serotonin is one of the body's hormones that plays a role in the transmission of nerve messages to brain cells. The reduction of serotonin in the body, which occurs during premenstrual period, causes symptoms caused by menstruation. By consuming saffron, you can eliminate these symptoms to an acceptable extent. Also, for girls who experience late puberty, using saffron is a stimulant for menstruation and facilitating bleeding. You can use saffron in the form of saffron milk or make saffron tea. Number 9. Prevention of respiratory tract infection. One of the dangerous diseases for the body is the presence of respiratory tract infection or bronchitis. Saffron prevents the occurrence of infection in the body with its properties. Also, saffron has a great effect on protecting lung tissue and cells and is effective in treating shortness of breath. Number 10. Properties of saffron for hair. Increasing the volume of blood circulation causes more blood flow to be directed to the hair follicles. Increasing blood circulation causes more nutrients and oxygen to be available to the hair follicles. In this way, it gives more strength to the hair and prevents hair loss. Number 11. Reduce pain with saffron. Saffronol, which is present in saffron, has a soothing effect on pain, and the soothing effect of this substance on nerve cells that are excited will also reduce headaches. Number 12. Diabetes control. Saffron contains amounts of manganese. The presence of manganese in the body helps control blood sugar levels, which is very useful for diabetic patients. Number 13. The benefits of saffron for the stomach. The use of saffron in the diet prevents stomach acid from being produced too much. Therefore, it is also helpful in the treatment of stomach ulcers. The use of saffron also controls the damage to the gastric mucosa caused by some obstacles such as endometrium. Number 14. Treatment of burns and damaged tissues. Saffron contains potassium and magnesium. These two essential elements have an effect on repairing damaged tissues and stimulating growth. So the properties of saffron can be used to repair damaged tissues. You can use saffron ointment topically to heal your wounds and burns, and see the amazing result of using saffron on the parts that are burned or wounded. Number 15. Prevent Parkinson's disease. One of the important diseases that affects many people in Parkinson's. This disease reduces their ability to speak and more over time. But saffron can prevent the occurrence of this disease in the body due to the presence of a substance called Christine. Number 16. Bone strengthening. Mineral and organic compounds, especially calcium, in saffron are useful for strengthening bones. Number 17. Saffron and memory enhancement. Consuming saffron strengthens the long-term memory and is also useful in preventing deterioration and Alzheimer's disease, and this is due to the presence of crocin and Christine in saffron. What happens to the body if we use a lot of saffron? Saffron has countless properties, but consuming too much of anything causes harm to the body. The permissible amount of this golden spice in 3 grams per day, and more than this will harm you. The nature of saffron is hot and dry, and excessive consumption of saffron increases body heat and affects some internal glands and organs such as the liver. Also, excessive consumption of saffron causes a decrease in blood pressure and excessive blood thinning. It may cause vomiting, decreased heart rate, nose or eyelid bleeding, and yellow skin, and that the possibility of miscarriage is high with the consumption of saffron, and it is better to consult your doctor beforehand. The best way to store saffron. Saffron should be in a dry and cool place and in a glass or metal container without any air intake. This is better to brew saffron as much as you need for the day so that the rest of it retains its unique taste and aroma. If you liked this video, send it to your friends so that they can also use this information. Please subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, ask in the comment section. And give us energy with your likes. Have a nice day. Our wish is your health.